As the membranes incorporated more fatty acids, they grew and divided. At the same time, internal chemical reactions drove replication of encapsulated RNA. That is nonsense. And then all of a sudden, boom, you got an RNA nucleotide. What's acting upon this to make it do this? Well, heat from here, UV light from there. Boom. Nobody knows. That's in nature. That's not in an 8th grade textbook from 2018. People think I selectively choose these things from crazy places. No, this is Nature 2018. This is what confuses even professors. See this and they think, oh, yeah, people know. Nobody knows. This is a bunch of garbage. This is garbage. I mean, this is hard chemistry to do. Even if I gave this to synthetic chemists, this would be hard to pull off. Hard chemistry. There's all this. Even the most skilled synthetic chemists preparing a very simple precursors to very few of the molecules within the building block class. And all the precursors, and then we're all racemic at that. Then he even goes so far as to say all the cellular subsystems could have arisen simultaneously through common chemistry. That is crazy. Man, I'll tell you, if you work in the area of nanotechnology, you try to build systems. You take molecules to build into a system that functioned. He says they all could have arisen simultaneously through common chemistry. That's a lie. And it's accepted in the best of journals. This is crazy. All he made was a couple of precursors and he's going into the assembly of all substances. Show me. If it could have happened, show me. He'll never show you. This comes out now in Nature Communications, Prebiotic Chemistry and Human Intervention. So now they're saying, yeah, you know, if you're really going to copy prebiotic chemistry, you can't have too much intervention. So they're beginning to catch on. I'm surprised the journal took this. He says, such a pure chemical scenario is unrealistic prebiotically, but necessary. He's saying if you want to do something prebiotic, you got to have clean chemicals. He says, nobody's really explained this. Furthermore, the ideal experiment does not involve any human intervention. So this is this guy, Clemens Richard. They're beginning to catch on. Nobody has ever come close to generating the workings of life. Nobody's even close. You do this chemistry in the lab all the time. So they did it in a microporous capsule, and they said, whoa, this is life. My test tube is life then. So what I'm saying is I'd like to have a moratorium on the origin of life research, so a change is warranted. We've got to change the way we do things, and we need to address fundamental problems here in origin of life research. Blackballing scientists if they bear legitimate nonconformist views by excluding them from professional societies and academies, withholding their funding or denying them tenure is anti-scientific, and it will retard the advancement of science.